Hey guys, Olivia here. I'm gonna do a video on my Target haul today. So, I went to get 7 things, and I have got exciting items today. So let's start on. I'll just show you the things that I got today, and then I'll unboxing. So I got this Justin Bieber Justice, Stream Justice by Justin Bieber, and I'll leave his album in the cards. And this Camila Cabello, Cinderella, Amazing original movie soundtrack. And go watch Cinderella movie on Amazon Prime if you have it. I did a TikTok about this. And I got this holographic gem. How many pages is it? Diamond 100 count notebook. Yeah, I love holographic, and the back is like just clear, but the front is holographic and gets shiny. And there's yeah, and then there's this T-shirt, crop T-shirt, which I took teal blue, because I wanna like have a Camila Cabello merch T-shirt, so I wanted to design it. And then I got this Friends trivia game. Friends, the television series, the trivia game. Ready to roll. When my friends come over, I'm gonna play with them. Yeah. And then this exciting thing. This is the second vinyl that I got after my Frozen vinyl. This is Sour by Olivia Rodrigo vinyl, and it's Target exclusive, and this is the back of it. So let's get on to the showing and then unboxing. So I already showed you my T-shirt. So I already showed you this holographic. I'm gonna unbox the CDs and the vinyl later. Oh right, I forgot one more thing. And then I got this one magic towel from the $1 section in Target. And this is the back of it. So yeah, I have 2 magic towels. One is Elsa and one is I don't know what this is. What character this is. I think this is Elsa. I don't know. Whatever. Maybe Olaf, because I see white. Yeah. I got Elsa and Paws, maybe. Paws Patrol, anyway. So I'm gonna... I don't know. I'll just open the plastic if I can for this. Because it's a small one. This is Frozen 2 magic towel. I may need a scissor for CDs and magic towel. And I may need a scissor for this. So I opened it, and there's this. So it looks like Elsa, maybe. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep that on the side here. And now I'm gonna open this, unbox. I love Friends. I have like 3 other things by Friends. A T-shirt and a scented thingy. And one other thing which I don't remember. No, I think I only have 2 things. Now this is my 3rd thing. So get rid of that. Okay. Do you get the feeling? Do you get the it comes with these friends cards. There's another one. And there's instructions how to play. And there's another one. So there's 3 card packs. And that's it. Get rid of this. Ooh, and there's a dice. Cool, okay. I'm gonna keep the dice in here. Let me open the... I opened the first pack. See? Okay. Okay. Oh, okay. And then now the second pack. I opened the second pack. I'm gonna keep these in rubber bands, so I'm gonna open the third pack. The third pack is complete. So now I'm gonna keep the cards in the box later because I have to wrap it in the 3 rubber bands. Now I'm gonna open Justice by Justin Bieber. So this is the red version. It says Justin Bieber's highly anticipated 6th studio album, Justice. The album features hit singles Holy, I Feel So Holy, I forgot that tune anyway, Lonely, Anyone, and Hold On. 1 additional song, an alternate album cover. It's Target exclusive. And 1 exclusive song is Angels Speak, bonus track. I wonder how that... Okay. Thing. Yeah. How that sounds. I opened it and there's the plastic. I don't see the stickers. So yeah, this is the front. This is the back. It has 16 songs plus the bonus track. Oh, it doesn't have that sticker on the top. Okay, this is the CD. It's red. Okay. And the back is like green. And this is the booklet. This. And this is the back. He's my like #1 crush. Okay. There's him. And also, if you don't know about him, he's married to Hailey Bieber. Before she got married, it was Hailey Baldwin. Now it's Hailey Bieber. There we go. And they have just the credits, right? I wish there was. I wish he would did lyrics though. Ooh, the Martin Luther King Jr. MLK interlude contains an excerpt from Why I Oppose the War in Vietnam, and it's written and performed by Martin Luther King Jr. So that's, yeah. I didn't know where did the excerpt from. And this is the next page. On a highway next to a highway or whatever, like below the bridge and train. Ghost, Peaches, Love You, Loved by You. Next one. Anyone? Lonely. My least favorite is Lonely. There's him. Angel Speak. And the next page is the producer and stuff. Yeah. I wish there was like a poster. Anyway. So that was it for the unboxing of just this. So one CD down. Next CD is this Camila Cabello Cinderella unboxing. And it says includes covers of songs made famous by Queen, Madonna, Janet Jackson, Ed Sheeran, and more, plus new original songs by Camila Cabello and Idina Menzel, available for streaming on Prime Video. So this is what it looks like. Okay. And this is the front. And this is the back. Let's open it. So, okay, there's no crack, so that's good. And this movie is PG, so everyone can see it. Woo! I think this is my first soundtrack album. Ooh, there's like a black and purple. I love purple. Aww. And these are the three mice. Right there. In the middle. So here's the booklet. The front. The back. Ooh. It has, the second one. The second song has like a picture from the scene. And also the Material Girl. Where Gwen sits on a throne. And there's Am I Wrong is when, yeah, the prince sings it. And the Million to One reprise is where all the rapper and the things, yeah, right there. And then Perfect is where the the prince and Camilla performs in the ball, the dance, the ball. And this is one, ooh, oh, okay, is this when they sing, Shining Star, I think, yeah, this one. This is so beautiful. This is Camilla, this is Billy Porter. This is Fab G. And there's a Dream Girl. Oh, the Dream Girl is, yeah, whatever, yeah. There's a scene where they're at the ball. The three of them are at the ball. The two stepsisters and stepmother. And then Let's Get Out is the last scene from the movie right there. And then Score Suite. Right there. And then who wrote the stuff and who, like, music supervisor, executive music producer and stuff like that. And this is for Epic Records. Okay, so I'm so happy. This is my first soundtrack. I'm gonna listen to it. Okay, so Now I'm gonna unbox this, but carefully. The previous one which I had was Thank You Next by Ariana Grande, but I opened it carefully, but um the record was like kind of screeching bad kind of thing. Yeah. We open it carefully from the top. Okay. I made a little cut in the whole thingy. Yeah. There's a rumor that Olivia's writing her second album, which may be called uh, Sweet or Sugar or something. I'm pulling the wrapper out. So it looks like this. This is Target exclusive, limited edition, blue transparent vinyl, and alternative artwork and exclusive poster. So I wanted Olivia Rodrigo thing album since it came out. Well, since the album came out, I mean, and I kind of know her from Bizarre Work, but I think I never saw it. But I always want to see like the reboot of High School Musical, the musical series, the series. Okay. So this is my first open flap one. So this is the front, the back with the track list and the artwork. Let me pray to God that the vinyl works. Please. Okay. Whoa, lots of artwork. So it looks like this. Okay. And is it supposed to be like opened or something? I don't know, whatever. Probably not. And this, whoa. And this is side A. This is side B with all the lyrics. And look at the color. And this is side A. This is side B. Okay? And then, okay. And now this is the poster. I'm gonna hang it up somewhere. I have to make rooms for my Olivia poster. I'm so happy. Okay. Let me get rid of this scissor somewhere. Yeah. Ooh, they're thank yous. Cool. And there are the song names. So I think this is about the video. Give a like, subscribe, comment down below. Have you listened to Sour? And do you like Friends? And which is your favorite song out of the Sour album? Mine is it has to be driver license first, and then Good for You, and then Deja Vu, and then happier. Yeah. And then 1 step forward and 3 steps back. Yeah. So I'm gonna get on to the listening of the vinyl if it stays okay, so I don't have to give it back and get another one. Please, God, save me this time. So, I love you, Bubbles. Keep a lookout for more vinyl collection and CD collection. And maybe today or tomorrow, I'm gonna do a TikTok about my CD collection. So yeah, keep a lookout for that. Thank you. Bubbles out.